So, hello and welcome to today's live stream. We had a beautiful trade in the London session, but I wasn't able to take it. Yeah, I will just show you. So we tapped into this. We have some equal highs here and equal highs here, and we tapped into this beautiful 4-hour fair value gap, and then I was thinking about taking it. The first entry would have been like around here, then maybe first targeted with 24 points and next one with 43 points, and I think equal highs were also here. Yeah, so a maximum of 72 points would have been possible, and then of course after the internal highs we would have been break even, but we could have done a second entry here with this fair value gap, so would have probably been like that. And yeah, this would have been a nice trade for London session, actually pretty A+. Took out some little liquidity here. It's not a big, but yeah, this nice 4-hour fair value gap, really strong. And I mean, after the we goes just straight up, so really nice. So yeah, the update on my accounts, on my Top Step X accounts, I am on the one I have 49,400, on the second one I have 51,200, and on the third one I have 51,200. And on the my funded futures account I am funded. I took a little trade, only $300 were missing during during Wednesday's session, where the Fed decided about the rate cuts. Yeah, so I was trading after that, and I just took a little long after the market was really bullish. It wasn't a really nice setup, but I just thinking about taking quick 15 points, and I had a 1-to-1 risk ratio, so yeah, the market was really strong and it worked out. So I'm funded on my funded futures account, and this is the one I'm trading on TradingView. Yeah, and I will probably just take, it depends on the risk, 1 or 2 contracts on the trading on my funded futures. Maybe I will switch to minis, I don't know yet. And on the top step I will just take 5 micros. So currently what I'm looking for is, we still have nice targets with equal highs here and equal highs at the top, and some resting buy side liquidity over here. And yeah, we just tapped into this 4-hour, so I'm thinking about being really bullish with this 1-hour fair value gap, and I'm still really bullish. But yeah, maybe what I want to see is sweeping those equal lows here, and maybe sweep another time this internal low, and then get a run higher, maybe with some equal highs as a target. Just checking if this works. Yes, okay. So yeah, this this is actually not tradable at the moment. We also have equal lows here. No, not really. 31.2. No. Yeah, this was such a perfect trade. I really wish I mean I saw it, but I decided to not to take it because I wanted to go to the gym. Yeah, and 70 points is, what is it, 1,400. A little bit sad, but I'm fine. Yeah, but as I said in the previous live streams, if you remember that, we went here with the daily, and I was so interested in this area of 19,920 because of those wicks. Those are, I mean, on the daily, it's really rare that you see like 4 daily highs so close to each other. I mean, every time we get the price, we get there, we just dropping down. So there is a chance that we just come back to it. And after we inverse this daily, we just had a little bit of undecided buyers and sellers, or maybe just some market makers who collect some to push the price to this level. Yeah, and the next level is over here at 236, and I think it's possible that we get there today. not in any bearish fair value gaps, so I'm not looking for shorts at the moment. This 50-minute is, yeah, of course it's there, and I think after we rush through this liquidity we see some moves lower, but we are also in this bullish fair value gap, so yeah, it's not a clear price structure. So I want those equal lows to get ran through. We tap into this 4-hour, maybe we can take out the sell side liquidity, or we get an SMT with ES, and then maybe leave some equal highs on the way lower, and then target them for longs. Or what would also be possible, if we leave some equal lows and tap into the 1 hour, I'm also willing to take shorts. Yes, this is a really nice push. Equal lows got taken out, plus tapping into the 4-hour. And I think also 1 hour, no, only 4-hour, but that's enough. Even better. Yes. And this is also nice because the move, you see every candle didn't take out the high of the other candle, so maybe only here, but it's only one candle, so there's definitely some sellers, and they all can be taken out if we take longs. Okay, so we already have an SMT, so I'm definitely fine with longs. The target are not like too perfect. 2 minute, 3 minute, probably building up. We will see. If we take out the sell side liquidity and maybe get a target for a 5 minute unfilled fair value gap, would be also I think this would be the trade I would prefer, because if I take a trade here, I can go break even here, and this is, yeah, I mean, the probabilities that we just rush 40-50 points is, yeah, not too high. It's possible, but I would like to go break even a little bit earlier. And now I hope we get another flush down, because it's macro time, and the chances for nice movements are definitely higher now. So, please stay unfilled, but no. Okay. Yeah, but we see there's a really nice reaction. 7 minute 8, yeah. And I think there will be higher fair value gaps now, so not too nice anymore. That's not what I wanted to see. Yeah, so longs from here are still nice, but I just don't like that we created so many high time frame fair value gaps. So every time I took like a 6, 7, 8 minute fair value gap, it just stopped me out. So it would be nice if we leave maybe some equal highs here now and then sweep this liquidity and inverse a nice 1 minute or 2 minute. And then we can continue to run higher. I like how this build up. This looks like it can get run through because also we are also so close to those liquidity points. Those are relative equal highs. highs. So I think if we can create a 2-minute here, this would be an A+ trade. Because now we swept the London session low, I think. Is it? Yeah, it's London session low. And we are in this 4-hour fair value gap. We don't have a 1 minute. Now we have a 1 minute here. And if we get a nice reaction, I'm definitely in for longs. Target would be the first equal highs, and then this liquidity, or the 1 hour, I think the main liquidity from this session, from New York session. Okay, now we have a 3-minute being created. But this is not really nice because we have another 3-minute here. So depending on the reaction on the 1 minute, I might take it, but yeah. I mean, also there are only relative equal highs and not equal highs, so we will see what we get. Okay, now we created a 4-minute. So depending on the 5-minute close here, what would be nice if we then sweep another time the low and get an 1-minute fair value gap, then we can target the 5-minute if it's unfilled. always important. Unfilled 15. Yeah, so depending on this 4-minute close, I will definitely take this. So I would take, here's one contract plus half a mini, so 5 micros on the top steps and one normal one on the my funded futures. Yeah, but doesn't look like we're getting an inverse. Yeah, the momentum of this candle was really nice, but everything sold off. So we have to wait another 4 minutes. Yeah, so if we run the lows here and then get an inverse to those equal highs, this would be also really nice. Maybe we can go in with 2 contracts then and take one off here and then let one run through there. This would be really cool. If we get another flash down, we probably get an SMT, and this would be also really nice. It would be another confirmation, so I hope we just get maybe a 1 or also maybe this form on it is still valid. I mean, depending on how we close now. As on the 30 seconds there is an entry, but I don't like the 30 seconds, but now it will probably just run through. Yeah, that's a bit sad. Yeah, really sad that we don't have any entry here and no fair value gap. I mean the signs were clear. We had SMT. Oh no, we don't. Yeah, a little one here, little SMT here, and relative equal highs here, unfilled 15. I hope we come back and then can push. Maybe again. I'm not taking it. Yeah, no inverse yet. Yeah, I think I'm glad that it didn't inverse because I mean it took the internal high here. This would have been the break-even point, so yeah, I don't. It wouldn't have been too perfect, so I'm still hoping that we get another flash down to get a 1 minute. Yeah. I mean, trading is a lot of waiting, so the thing I say to me is like, if I don't do anything, I don't lose money, and I always try to remind me that, because I'm not like sticking 100% perfect to the strategy. Sometimes I'm doing mistakes, so I need to be really sure if I take one, and I need to train that. Of course, it's not like that I can do that already. Yeah, those wicks look like get another flash down, and this area is like, I mean, there are no equal highs, but it looks like pretty interesting because a lot of wicks, and here also, and it's just like a lot of times those wicks get ran another time during the session, because there were always people like pushing the price down, and yeah, so or not selling. So it's an interesting area. So if we get an inverse now, it would be really nice. Maybe maybe this one. I hope not again like an 8-minute or something. Just checking if we have an SMT. It'd be nice now if you run the lows on NQ and not on ES. I was actually expecting that those relative equal highs get taken out. now we run the lows, and if it stays like that, we didn't run it on ES, so we would have a really nice A plus model, not with the best targets, but with some targets, which I'm fine with. Yeah, so waiting for this to be inversed, we won't create a 3 minute or 4 minute. If we get this 2 minute, would be nice. But getting sold off now for the moment. Okay, not with this one. Maybe with the next. So if we inverse this, I'm taking this. I think we need to stay above 995. Yeah, so I'm in. going break even at this at 20.010. So now going break even. And because I have only one contract, I'm taking this one off at 20.022. Sad. Break-even trade for me. Fine with that. But we see we got those, yeah, this area got definitely run through. Yeah. You can call this also as an internal high, but I'm still, I didn't want to see that we just come back down. But after this push, there's a chance that we come down. So yeah, I'm fine with that. So 20, I think a little loss here, just for the commissions. Yeah, and I don't want to be that too much of a drawdown. We'll see what happens now. Yeah, so definitely a right decision to go break even there. We see we had some nice impulse, but we got a bit tired and now we are going lower again, building up some little bit of a low resistance liquidity. And yeah, still didn't hit the lows, so we still have an SMT. So I still like longs, to be honest. Sorry. I'm just checking if how much the commissions were. Going to share the top step. Oh no, the top step account. Okay, around $5. Possibly creating another 2-minute fair value gap here. And if we inverse this, it would be also nice, because now macro time starts again. Soon we see 9:50, 10:10. Then we have 10:50 to 11:10. Tapping into this 4-hour. have some equal highs here, but nothing we can target now for the moment. SMT still with with ES. Getting another flash down. Okay. Big red candle. We have equal highs here. Taking out this liquidity. So if we get a 1 minute now to those equal highs, and then target another contract probably for the highs here, it's the setup I'm looking for. So far, no reaction. Yeah, some brutal sell-off. And we have a little fair value gap here. Bigger one with this 4 minute. Oh, we don't create a 5 minute. So no SMT anymore. Yeah, maybe we get anything to this 5 minute. But the luck we have today, I don't think so. Probably will get filled before we get a nice inversion. Yeah, nothing being built here. Yeah, if we don't get something until a quarter past, I'll just get off. So that bias was bullish. We had a nice trade, a nice break-even trade, which was A+, but it didn't hit the target. So it's a bit sad, but I would definitely take that another time. And break-even is, yeah, I'm fine with that. Maybe we get another big candle. Yeah, maybe we get a nice reaction now, because I think many have this area as an interested area marked, and now we tap into it. So I hope we get some sort of bullish reaction now. Okay, wow, this 4-minute also not getting built. think this will be a one tick fair value gap. Yeah, just this little. So if we invest this little, we can take our long. Again, some relative equal highs here. Yeah, what I need to keep in mind is if we inverse this, the 4 minute, the 50 minute is being built here at 42. So I need to go, if we go at 42, at 34 in, and 50 minutes being built, need to go break even there. But first we need to check if it's get inversed or not. That's wild. It's really brutal. The 50 minute is not being built at the moment. There's no way we are not creating a fair value gap after this move. This is so sad. There's just no entry. This is so... The market's really mean today. and then such a sell-off. This is like crazy. So internal low got taken out. So creating a 15-minute there. No 5-minute yet, but oh, we are creating 1 minute. But buyers won't step in. So depending on what happens now. This is crazy. There's absolutely no pullback. All the moves since 3:51. Tapping into another 4-hour fair value gap. It will probably be a 5-minute. So I'm just waiting a little bit more because after this move there has to be some kind of buyers that step in, and now we are in this 4-hour fair value gap. So I'm waiting a little bit more, maybe 10 more minutes, and then I'm going off. 4-minute is being created. And the 5-minute, okay. Like, this is crazy. Okay, I'm not taking any trades now. We'll rebalance the 5-minute, and this session was really crazy. Waited so long, and there were feelings that we can have a setup, but there was just no entry, and then they reversed the other way around. So I mean, it's like, it's good that we didn't take an entry because my bias was definitely wrong, but we still have targets left. Relative equal highs, again relative equal highs, and I will probably check back in PM session. What can we take out? Okay guys, this was it. See you guys, and come back on Monday. I won't be streaming next week, but in 2 weeks again, because I'm on vacation. See you guys.